Hey there, I stumbled upon something that's been on my mind ever since I started taking security seriously, threat hunting within Microsoft Sentinel, and I figured it's about time I shared some insights on this. Microsoft Sentinel, which is Azure's answer to cybersecurity challenges, turns into a real treasure trove when you dig a little deeper and start hunting for those sneaky adversaries. I'd love to walk you through some of the core concepts, give you a peek into the strategic context and even shed light on the business value, all while emphasizing how Microsoft Sentinel stands as an essential tool in our cybersecurity toolkit. We kick things off with a look at what threat hunting really means for an organization leveraging Azure services, because security isn't just about setting up firewalls anymore, especially when insider threats and subtle attacks are lurking around. Threat hunting is this proactive quest to find potential threats that might have slipped past conventional defenses. It's like being a detective, but for digital security risks. Now, digging into the essence of Microsoft Sentinel, it's got this whole intelligence, threat detection, and automation thing going on that makes CM and SOAR work not only seamless, but also incredibly efficient to manage through a single console. You've got to grasp the significance of its foundation in Azure Monitor Log Analytics, because it's pivotal for collecting and processing vast quantities of log and event data, helping to paint the full picture of your security landscape. As we navigate through the architecture of Microsoft Sentinel, understanding how it's constructed becomes a game changer. We must ensure visibility throughout all our data sources, including Azure environments, on-premises systems, and third-party networks. This is the bedrock for unearthing hidden adversaries that dare to invade our digital fortresses. When we pull back the curtain on the data connectors, those crucial components, it's no less than discovering the keys to the kingdom. These connectors bridge the gap between different sources of information. They are indispensable because we need to connect everything from Azure AD to endpoint security, ensuring no stone is left unturned in our hunt for threats. Next stop, we dive deep into investigative operations that Sentinel's built for. There's this component called security graphs, which serves as a bedrock for visualizations that can help simplify our understanding of the security issues at hand. These graphs come handy when sifting through data, looking for patterns or outliers. We then stroll through the Microsoft Sentinel playbooks, which are like step-by-step recipe books. They are designed not just to assist in common scenarios, but also to streamline the workflow for those tricky cases where outlier incidents get spotted. Playbooks help in standardizing the response, ensuring consistency across various threat hunting missions. Humming through the command center of Microsoft Defender for identity, we realize that identity and access management play a leading role. It's like the gatekeeper of information flow, ensuring that legitimate activity is not mistaken for malicious behavior, helping us spot anomalies that could signal a threat. And then, like a seasoned captain navigating through treacherous waters, we explore how to orchestrate the threat intel for incident responses. This part of our voyage makes us appreciate Sentinel's SOAR capabilities, as they guide us in automating workflows that can help speed up our reactions to breaches and potential threats. As we near the summit of our conversation, I can't help but acknowledge the critical role of Sentinel's intelligent processing pipelines. They are akin to the heart-pumping life to our threat intelligence, as the IPP enables us to create smart workflows, automate responses to indications of compromise, and ensure nothing slips through our proactive defense mesh. We then delve into the advanced analytics that come handy in our battle cries for threat detection and hunting. Techniques such as anomaly detection, graph analytics, and behavior pattern recognition become instrumental as they enable us to dissect and analyze data to detect the subtle flickers of suspicious activities. Dusting off the cobwebs of network telemetry from our adventurer's toolkit, we learn to tap into this aspect of Microsoft Sentinel, which provides granular visibility into network activity. Capturing data flows helps us uncover adversarial movements that would otherwise remain undetected by conventional monitoring tools. We take a brief respite and appreciate the power of custom analytics within Sentinel's framework, where we can craft unique solutions and use cases. These bespoke customizations empower us with the ability to align threat hunting and response to specific organizational requirements. Let's not slip back and forget about the importance of data backups in our journey, a practice that's the safety net for the digital realm. It's a preventive measure, but it also offers insights once it's time to spring into corrective action after an incident has taken place. As our tutorial tour concludes, we look at the best practices. It's not just about setting up Microsoft Sentinel. One must continuously refine it. Engaging in scenario-based planning, honing in on user behavior analytics to recognize threats, and ensuring a robust reporting process are elements that ensure success in our hunt for adversaries. Before I wrap things up, remember, every network is like a unique jungle, and no jungle is the same. Understanding our environment, crafting rules that make sense, and maintaining a continuous loop of process improvement are critical. And don't forget, leveraging community knowledge and sharing are ways to keep ahead in evolving threat landscapes. I'm giddy talking about this, but I realize I didn't touch the surface of the vast ocean of knowledge Microsoft Sentinel offers. It's mind-boggling, yet empowering. It rewires the way we look at security, making it a dynamic fight where preparedness meets opportunity. This whole experience is like peeling back the layers of ancient wisdom, finding tools and techniques that have evolved in an age where digital threats are as real as they come. It's thrilling, and I can't wait to bring these concepts together and implement them in real-world scenarios. So, as I bid you all to keep exploring and evolving, let's also not forget the essential piece of advice to continuously expand our knowledge base, always stay curious, and never hesitate to seek expertise when necessary. Remember, in the realm of cybersecurity, being a perpetual student and a relentless pursuer gives you an edge over adversaries unseen. Now, I'm dropping lines straight to you, heed them and stay sharp. Visit neeraj.qzz.io and let's dive together into the tech labs that await. Subscribe to get the full, in-depth dive on threat hunting in Microsoft Sentinel, the most comprehensive guide our times need.